Well, welcome back, everybody. And today I just wanted to give you a rundown on where we stand with the roll cage here in the 68 Mustang Fastback. I know it's been a little bit. I haven't been making a whole ton of progress. You know, as I'm fitting in bars and weather and work and everything else, it just takes a while. So I'm just going to show you the progress we made today. And I'm actually going to get ready to start welding it up soon. And after it's welded, we got to clean it all off, get the rest of the stickers off, sand her down, scuff her up a little bit basically, and give her a coat of paint for 2 or 3, whatever we decide. We'll figure it out. So, don't mind my mess. You see, we got it tacked in. Now, I was running out of shielding gas, so my tacks are absolutely horrendous. But now I got another tank, little tank. You can see it back there. Yeah, it's on there. So now they should work much better. But behind the seat here, the main hoop, got that fitted in, got the crossbars here, and these bars right here, this one and this one over here, those are more for the seat, to help support the seat, because it already had a little bit of a lean to it, so now it'll keep it from cutting back. We had to kick out the bars down here at the bottom, up here to the front, kick them out so they clear the seat. As you can see, it's still close. And we also gave this bar a kick as well. Now, I gotta run the door here. I don't know what the heck I was thinking here with this bar, well, with this plate. I actually formed a plate to go about 1 inch farther forward. And like a Yahoo, I have it back too far, so now I gotta grind all this away. These tacks and then the tacks on the bar. Grind all that away, slide that plate about 1 inch farther forward here. And I kind of got to wait till I get some better tacks on these, because I'm going to have to grind these tacks off just because I'm running out of shielding gas. I got a little bit fitting on this one yet. I'm going to drop it down about 1.5 inches, maybe for the center console. We got the dash bar in, and you can see we gave that a kick on each corner. As you can see it there. And we left room, so if the pad's got to ever come out, it can. Same with down here. Even though we kicked it out for the seat, so it clears everything, we left room underneath and also on the side so that you could do the carpet. Come around your side. So I got to drop this one a little bit lower as well, and then even them up. Right now, like I said, they're not tacked into place because I needed to see with him if he wanted the seat to be able to slide. But the reason this bar is going in to begin with is because he's putting 5-point harnesses in here, so that way he can clamp them right to this. Oh, what else? Oh, the bars in the back. You can see the headliner hangs down. But you can see what we did there. And right there, we gave it a kick up. And then back here, this is actually another kick up right there and right there. That way, it's kind of up and out of the way, and it clears the rear seat. Now, if we come to the back here, this is what we came up with. You can see it comes and it kicks down and out. That way you can still get to the gas tank, remove the gas tank. And we're not going through this panel here. So that way it clears the seat. And then this panel is actually a removable panel, which is right here. So we're going to make a cardboard template for back here. right in there. That's where that panel sits. We're going to make a cardboard template. And then we can figure out our exact notch. Be something like that. But we're going to give them like 3/8 to a 1/2 inch of clearance. So you can put a piece of weather stripping or, just a little piece of molding on it. It'll just keep the look clean, because that's the original piece. I think that's it. Somehow I lost my other glove. I don't know where I lost the glove. No, that's a rag. Well, I know I had it. Ah, I found it. Yeah. There we go. Now, as you can see, this other seat, I don't know if I remember telling you before, right there. He was going to put those in the car, but I don't know if you're back far enough. Yeah. He was going to put those seats in the car. He got them cheap, $300, something like that, $350. I fitted it. I fit the seat in the car and had him sit in it. Well, he's like an inch, sits a little too tall. I mean, if you set the factory seat next to that seat, the factory one actually sits like an inch lower. Or, well, no. Scratch that. That seat sits about an inch lower than the factory seat does. And obviously you can recline it, but with the cage, you're not really reclining it. So we kind of like matched where the rear seat back was angled to mimic the factory seat, but that has springs and stuff in it. That doesn't. That cushions down a little bit. Actually gives a little more clearance than that one does. So that's why he elected to keep the factory seats. He's going to get them recovered. And there we go. What else? I don't even know. Well, I can't remember. For the life of me, I can't remember. I don't know. So I have the gloves on because it's a little windy. Well, it's a lot windy out there today. And I might try to, I cannot speak for the life of me today. I'm going to refit these front bars, get them where I'm happy. I want like 2 inches, 2.5 inches for the seat, for the forward back. I don't want to go too crazy because then it's going to be in the way. And I think it's just going to look stupid. And I don't like that. I'm going to finish fitting those 2 front bars here in front of the seats. I'll finish fitting those, get those tacked in, and we'll see how breezy the barn is here. Maybe I might start to try to weld some stuff. I don't know. I can feel a little bit of a breeze in here. Not seeing much. I have all the doors closed right now, but up above I don't have all the shielding or the sheet metal on the side of the barn. So she's a little drafty. I think that's it. I believe so. Can't think of much else. But that's where we stand right now. It's all fitted in for the most part. You just got to do those bottom 2 bars there. I brought them up the other day just to give the old thumbs up. Make sure we're good before I go permanently welding anything in. And I just wanted to give you guys a look on where we stand. He really has to change that spring. Get some grease on that hinge. That's where we stand at the moment. You can see I have everything bent, kind of fitted into place, tacked into place for the most part. I got to grind them off, re-tack them in there, and get her welded, cleaned up, painted. The cage anyway. I'm not doing the car. and get her out the door so I can get something else in here. I'm gonna pull my truck in next. Need some work, body work, and I gotta figure out the O2 sensors. But I don't want to bring it in here and go ripping it apart if we're gonna get any snowy weather. Kind of need that 4-wheel drive. It comes in handy. So anyway, I don't know I'm gonna keep on the video or not, but that's where we stand. Just wanted to give you an update on the cage, some progress, and as always, give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one, and thanks for watching. Oh, now we gotta tack these. Well, no. Yeah, we gotta fit them. Oh, let's see what we need. I need my markers. That's what the hell I need. I need my markers.